Hey guys, my name is Trey Dixon. I'm Executive Director of TrueNorth Ministries. And at TrueNorth Ministries, our mission is to create environments where men can hear from God. And BaseCamp is one of those environments. At BaseCamp, we give you the ability to disconnect from your noisy, crazy, busy life and connect with God in a way for many of you you've never experienced before. When is BaseCamp? It's coming soon. So go to TrueNorthOKC.com for registration information. We look forward to seeing you.